Today we're tackling a question a lot of people are asking. Are renters ruining the Florida housing market? The short answer, not at all, but they are definitely shaping it. And here's the opportunity for both buyers and sellers. High renter demand. Renters represent a growing portion of households in Florida, which historically has kept rental prices high and it's fueled investor activity. New construction is helping. Recent building in areas like Sarasota and Southwest Florida is starting to ease rents in some neighborhoods, creating more balance in the market. The opportunities for buyers. Stabilizing rents make it easier to plan a move or transition from renting to buying. Some renters who were priced out before are now considering homeownership, opening doors for those first-time buyers. Opportunities for sellers. Despite some dips, overall demand still remains strong. Homes that are well-priced and well-presented continue to attract attention. Sellers can still sell successfully by understanding market trends and positioning their homes strategically. The opportunities for investors. Rental properties remain in demand, especially in areas where renter supply is still below demand. Long-term growth potential continues to be strong in Florida. The bottom line, renters are not ruining the market. They're part of a healthy system that creates opportunities. Buyers get stability and options, sellers can market and sell strategically, and investors have long-term potential. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe for more Florida market insights, and drop a comment if you want to break down specific cities or neighborhoods next.